Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and today we're gonna be showing you some iOS 14 default setting which you should turn off. It's gonna help you save loads of battery and data. To be fair, you don't need those settings to be turned on. It's basically Apple is taking loads of your data and information to improve the system, which they can do it themselves. So let's see what we can do to save loads of data and some space in your phone. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings and we're going to look for something that basically taking loads of our data. So let's go to privacy, then we're going to go to locations. So if you come to locations, you're going to see loads of the apps that using the location, which is taking quite a lot of data. So let's see what we can turn it off here. So yeah, as you can see, all of mine is on while using the app, so they're only going to use the data when I am using those apps on the system. See, over here quite a lot of features are using data, which actually I don't need to let them use my data. So if you see like iPhone analytic, popular near me, routing and traffic, you can just turn them off. You don't need them to be turned on. So then go back to privacy, analytic and improvements. So in here, turn everything off. You don't need them at all. You're just using your data. The next thing you need to do is you need to check on Apple advertising. This is basically gonna suggest you loads of advert, and basically Apple gonna show you ads referring to your search and stuff, which you actually don't need. So you can turn it off. Go back, App Store. So this is the video autoplay. I kept it on, but if you want to turn it off, you can do it, because if you don't want to play a video automatically, just go there and turn it off, or you can put it into Wi-Fi only. It's gonna save your mobile data. Go back, then go to General. Then go to background app refresh. So as you can see, loads of this app, they use your data without you knowing, and they basically download stuff that basically you don't need, or sometimes they even upload stuff without you even knowing. So what you have to do is you have to turn them off. Look, I already turned quite a lot of them off that I don't need to. Only if you like to go on social media and stuff, turn them on, so you're gonna get your notification and stuff. Everything else, turn them off. Like as you can see, I've turned loads of them off. Yep. Go back. This is sensor and use data collection, which Apple collects your data for improving their apps, or probably more about marketing research and stuff. And you can turn it off as well. So see, I just turned mine off. This is allow app to request to track. To be fair, you don't need to keep it on, but if you want to, you can. For me, I'll just turn it off because I don't need to let them track me. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you like that video, please click like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe, and please click that bell button so you get the notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you very much.